Hello students, welcome to the class of Newer Machining Method. In this video, we will discuss about abrasive flow machining. Abrasive flow machining is a process that removes a small quantity of material. It uses semi-solid abrasive putty through the workpiece. It extruded across edges or surface to deburr, radius, polish, remove recast, and perform mirror surface machining. A hydraulic ram force the abrasive medium through the workpiece. An abrasive medium flow through the part, its velocity will change with the different cross-section areas. Due to its low MRR, it is not suited for mass removal rate. It is used for machining in metals, ceramics, and many plastic in uniform and economic manner. Classification of AFM. AFM is classified into three parts: one-way AFM, two-way AFM, and three-way AFM. This is the basic view of one-way AFM. Here, one piston pushes the abrasive putty through the workpiece. In two-way AFM, there are two pistons which are works in opposite direction to each other. And this is the three-way AFM setup. The equipments used in AFM are: it is constructed with two opposing medium chamber that are hydraulically or manually clamped together. The pressure which is used here for extruding medium is in the range of 0.69 to 22 megapascal, that is 100 to 3200 psi. Lower pressure prefers to fragile part or loose fixtures. Light heat is also generated due to friction. Hence, medium coolant is recommended. Tooling uses only to hold the part or parts in position, to contain and direct the flow of abrasive. Any number of parallel restriction can be processed into uniform result. Replaceable inserts made of nylon, Teflon, or hardened steel are used and can last up to thousands of parts. The medium which is used in AFM is pliable medium, that is resilient enough to act as a self-forming grinding stone. Media contain base and typically two or three abrasive grit size. Base contain an organic polymer, especially hydrocarbon gel. It determines the degree of stiffness. Four types of abrasive can commonly used, that is abrasive oxide, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, boron carbide, and diamond. The size of abrasive particle is in the range of 7 to 700 meshes. The following advantages from AFM is deburr polish and radius in one operation, more repeatable than manual method, finish in accessible area, batch production can be done using AFM, and it is faster than manual method. It have some disadvantages also. The fixture which is used are expensive, high capital investment, and it can't process blind holes. Thank you. We will back in next video.